Hey everybody, thanks so much for clicking on this video and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. A lot of my videos are all about gender affirming voice and speech, but I'm also a singer and a songwriter, and so that's a huge part of my life and a huge way that I express myself. So Lava Genie reached out to me about their product, the Lava Genie, and it's, I guess, a guitar with no strings that you don't actually need to know how to play guitar in order to play. I play keyboard and I play a little guitar, like I can play some chords, but it's something that I've always wanted to work on. I'm really excited about this because I think it has the potential to be really accessible, especially if you're not familiar with music theory, but you really like to sing, you want to express yourself. I think this could be a great way to put your toe in and do a little singing practice. So let's open this thing up. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so here it is. The Lava Genie. Lava Genie, 60 seconds to musical freedom. Oh, it's like I've never opened a box before. It's too much pressure. Okay. Okay, this white, beautiful white case is really cool. So if we open this baby, we can see what it looks like inside. So it looks like you can download the Lava Plus app. This is, what is this? I think these are stickers. Oh, some cord stickers that you can maybe stick on the Lava Genie itself. That's cool. And then just some Lava Genie stickers. Love it. Cool. And then we have the Lava Genie manual here, 60 seconds to musical freedom, which is very appealing. 60 seconds versus how many years did I spend in music school? Lava Genie case. Okay. We've got half of a guitar. Okay. I think you open it up like that, then it looks like the body of a guitar. Okay, cool. A strap here. That's cool. And then what looks like the fretboard, the touch sensing fingerboard. Plug this in here. Oh. Okay, so we just turned it on. Okay, so in the manual here, it says play your first chord. Cool. Okay, so all I'm doing is just pressing. There's numbers here on the side. Can you see that? Just says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see, and then it's got this like bright color. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it looks better in person maybe. But it's like a rainbow color here. And so I just pressed the power button here on the side, and then it seems like you can adjust the volume there too. And so I'm just pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just moving my finger around the board here and then pressing the tap, tap, tap button. And it sounds like it's all, it's arpeggiating right now. So then it adds a little bit of like strumming if you do it here. Move it down on here. Cool. So download the Lava Plus app to unlock the key change feature. This is really good, especially if you're working on voice training or anything. If you want to sing a song, you know, let's say you hear something on the radio and you go to sing along and it's just a little too high or it's a little too low, whatever the case may be, changing the key of the song is a really easy way to just still sing the song, but make it comfortable for you, or put it in a key that feels more affirming for you. This would be a really great way. So changing the key basically means you're making it go higher or making it go lower to suit where you want to start it. So if I sing like "Oh Darling" or something by the Beatles, "Oh darling," but maybe that doesn't feel comfortable, maybe I want to go a little lower. "Oh darling," or maybe a little higher. Oh, darling, please believe me. Whatever, that's where you can change it. So it still sounds like the same song, but it's a little higher or lower. Okay, 10,000 plus songs on the Lava Plus app. So I guess then, yeah, learn with the guiding lights. So, oh, the chord chart in Lava Plus syncs with the Lava Genie automatically. So it interactively guides you with where and when to play. So on here, it gives you the text, like the lyrics, and with the color and the chord name, and you can follow along with that. That's really cool. So there's tons of different sounds that you can use with this. So press to switch presets. So we're gonna press this button again, the button I used to turn it on. All right, cool. So you can just do a little groove, and then I'm just doing a little vamp. A little vamp with 2 chords. Maybe I'll write a song. Look, here's a different sound. Interesting. That's cool. So it's like a different sound quality that you get with the changing of the presets, but then it's also a different like strumming style for the arpeggiation. So you get a rhythm section, you've got different arpeggiation, different strumming patterns, but it's super lightweight and super approachable. And this manual that I was just looking at is really easy to follow. And you saw that I could just start like playing chords and stuff, right away. So this is a really good, I think, option if you're not super musically minded, but you really want to start playing around with music. This is a great tool for exploration because you'll get to know things about music theory. You'll get to know sort of like the difference between how far away chords are. But it's super simple to play and super simple to like have a beat and all of those things like right at your fingertips. So I think that's really, really cool. Okay, so I got the app and there's tons of songs to choose from, which is amazing. Linkin Park, Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift, Queen, James Taylor, like everything you would want to pick from. Let's pick one and try singing it. So you can pick the song and then it'll actually pick, there's tons of sounds in here too. So it will suggest what sound goes with the song the best. Okay, so I picked Let It Be, and this is in the key of C. So it's gonna like give me the chords 1, 5, 6, and 4, and those are the ones I want to press. And then it's gonna bring up the lyrics for me too. Oh, so you can change the key right there. So if I wanted to change the key, I can just go in here. Oops, yeah, and just select my key. So if I want to go higher or lower, and then I can change how fast I'm going. So I was just tapping on this thing to show the tempo, which I think is how it was picking it up. So maybe I'll go a little faster, maybe like 64 beats per minute. And that's gonna be a little low for me. So I'm gonna go up. When I find myself in times of trouble, so I can just sing along with it. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. So pretty easy to navigate and follow along with this. On the top here, it shows like how many beats you'll be like playing the chord. So it says like 1 for 2 beats and then 5 for 2 beats, like counts. 1, 2, 5, 2. Which is cool too. That's really super simple. So let's try something else. Let's try another tune. Beauty queen of only 18, she has some trouble with herself. Y'all's always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove 4 miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Oh, look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be loved, and she. This is cool. So like it's lighting up the chords that I need to go to next, which is really nice. So obviously I'm watching the app to tell me the words as they go by, and they have the chords as well. But then if I want to just like quickly look over to see where I'm going, the light is going to guide me to where that's going to be as well. So that's pretty cool. That makes it really nice and easy. You're able to change the key like you would if you were playing guitar, but you're also getting the sounds from the actual song. So it's a little feels more like realistic, like you're singing along to the actual song, like you know, like a karaoke track kind of would be, but you're actually playing. So there's tons of songs to choose from on here. All the sounds are there for you. You're learning about music and the movement. You have to move with the rhythm of the song and the strumming and the arpeggiating patterns of this thing, this instrument, really help you to keep the beat, as well as looking at the music as it goes by in the app. So that's really helpful for like working on rhythm. And yeah, it's just really cool to be able to have the sounds there and change the key and just to express yourself. It's super easy to connect to the app, super easy to turn this on and just start playing. Super user friendly with everything, and all the information that it comes with is super user friendly. It feels like good material. Like it feels like it's sturdy and it's gonna wear well, and it's cool. It's pretty. It's got pretty colors on it. And it's really kind of a band in the box, basically. You know, it's like you can create your own band. This would be cool to do with your friends too, to have a little sing-along, kind of like a karaoke night. Could be super fun. If you happen to be working on voice training, I think it's a really good way to change up your routine when you're practicing. If you're doing a bunch of exercises all the time, if you have sort of exercise fatigue, singing a song and expressing yourself and practicing your voice and using your voice in that way can be really cathartic, and I think is a great way to not only practice, but just like have some fun. So I think if you don't have a ton of music theory knowledge, this is a really fun thing to play with if you are interested in doing a little bit more singing. So thank you so much to Lava Genie for sending this over to me. It's a guitar, no strings. Who knew it could exist? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.